If you've been running into that frustrating Chrome error 429 and can't figure out what's causing it or how to get past it, you're definitely in the right place. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple, proven method to clear out the issue, so you can get back to browsing without disruption. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's causing that 429 too many requests message, and how clearing the right data from Chrome can quickly restore your web access. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Google Chrome browser. You can double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop, or select it from your computer's menu or taskbar, whatever method you usually use. This might sound obvious, but it's worth mentioning, because some people run into issues if they're running a different browser and expect the same steps to work. Now, with Chrome open, look to the very top right corner of your window. You'll see a small icon made up of 3 vertical dots. This menu may sometimes be referred to as the More icon, and it's the gateway to all Chrome's options and settings. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. Take your time finding them if you need to, as the interface may look a bit different depending on your device or your screen size. Once the menu pops up, you'll get a list of options. What we want here is history. Usually it's about halfway down the list, but if you don't see it right away, just pause for a moment and look carefully. Clicking on History will expand another smaller menu, and from there you want to click History again. It might sound repetitive, but this second click will actually bring you to a dedicated page showing all your browsing history. From here, we're heading towards the step that really matters for fixing the error. At the left-hand side of the History page, look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Sometimes it just says Delete Browsing Data. Click that, and you'll see a pop-up or a new tab open with multiple checkboxes and selection menus. Now, for our purposes today, we're focusing on cookies and other site data. This option is essential because Chrome error 429 is often caused by websites detecting too many rapid or repeated requests from the same session or cookie. When you clear these cookies and site data, you're essentially giving Chrome a fresh start with those websites, so they stop flagging you for too many attempts. Go ahead and check that box for cookies and other site data. You might see other boxes, like cached images or files, but for fixing error 429, cookies are what matter. Once you've selected it, click the Delete Data button. Sometimes it'll say Clear Data, depending on your browser version. This process might take a few moments, especially if you've got a lot of cookies saved from different sites, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal. And just like that, you've done it. You've successfully cleared the data that's most likely causing Chrome's error 429, and you should be able to access your websites again without any problem. It's a bit like wiping the slate clean, removing the info that's making certain websites raise their guard. To wrap things up, if this tutorial helped you fix your Chrome error 429, be sure to hit the like button so other people can find it too. If you have any questions, if the error still happens, or if you want to know more about other Chrome issues, just drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!